Kinesis Tee It Up focuses on development of core strength and rotational power. The focus of our program is on increased flexibility, developing full range of motion, increasing rotational power and control, and working on injury prevention. Kinesis Tee It Up will improve the way you look, the way you feel, and the way you play. What you can expect is more distance, more consistent swing movements, core strength increases, and decrease in overuse injuries. Most competitive golfers are strength training today. My name is Joe Palumbo, Certified Strength and Conditioning Coach. For more information on Kinesis Tee It Up, please go to my website at palumboperformance.com or denalifitness.com. Thank you.